Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Let's get straight into it. We're opening up two more Factory Fresh Series cars for 2019. The first one up today is the 2016 BMW M2. It's car 1 of 10 this year, and here it is in white. Let's get it straight off the card. You can see it's a short card. I've had a heap of these short cards recently. It's a pretty nice example. I really like this casting, and you can see here it's got that silver plastic base. It's wearing PR5 wheels with the chrome rims there, and it's just got that blue and red stripe that's sort of like BMW colors, and it's got a bit of a little BMW emblem on the hood. Like if you can hardly see it. There is no other tampos. There's no headlights, no tail lights. I'm actually really disappointed that this is in the Factory Fresh. We saw it last year for Factory Fresh and it was pretty cool. This year it's a big no. Next up, we have a brand new casting for 2019. It's car 5 of 10, and it's the 2019 Mercedes Benz A Class. Now, this is a pretty cool hot hatch. I was really excited when I found out this one was going to be released in the Factory Fresh series, and just look at it. It's so beautiful there. It's got PR5 wheels like that BMW, except these ones are black with only the chrome rim, and you can see it's got a whole heap of tampos there, the front headlights, the rear tail lights. We've got number plates, we've got the Mercedes symbol. It's really, really nicely done. I'm really impressed with this car. I cannot wait to see heaps more releases of it. I'd even like to see it in a few more colors in this year's Factory Fresh. It's just a beautiful looking car, and you can see it's got that dark window and it's got a nice black interior. It's a pretty cool casting. Thumbs up. Alright, check them out on the track. First up, we'll see the A Class, because it was actually my favorite of the two, so I wanted to see if it would go on the track. And gave it a bit of a push. Went around that loop a few times, and it was actually quite nice on the track. I thought I was really impressed with it. Saw it fell out there, but I was really happy that it went around so many times. It's a pretty cool car if you ask me. Alright, let's get this disappointing BMW on the track. Now, look at this one go. It's actually really cool on the track, so I'm disappointed that the car itself doesn't look better in this Factory Fresh series. They've really missed the point with this car, but it's pretty cool on the track, so that was really good. Big thumbs up for it on the track. Alright, let me know, do you have either of these Factory Fresh cars for 2019? Don't forget, check out the other Factory Fresh cars we've already opened up, so leave your comments down below. Which was your favorite from today? Thanks, everyone.